Today we have a 2013 Infiniti G37X. It's got the 3.7 motor. It's all-wheel drive. The check engine light goes on, goes off. When we look for pending codes in that, it says it's a P106, which is your map sensor. We're going to show you where that's located and how to clean or replace it. This is your Infiniti Nissan 3.7 motor. You got 10 millimeters holding it on. Out. It's got some rubber grommets in there that are getting bad, but it shouldn't affect anything. Okay, so the nuts go in the front on the two studs. The nuts go there, and your bolts go in the back. The three go in the back. Put this off to the side. Now you just gotta wiggle it. Sometimes you gotta get a screwdriver behind this right here to pry that up, but it's just got a little O-ring holding it like that, so it should pop in up pretty easy. And before we put it back together, we want to check these wires going to our connector just to make sure they're not frayed or see something that's could be troublesome, corrosion or something. So that looks all right. Like I said, we're not going to replace it, so we're just going to use electrical cleaner to clean this. We're just going to clean inside of it. The car doesn't have a lot of miles on it. So clean that, put it back in, and hopefully that light stays off. We let that dry off a little. You can only put it in one way. Just make sure that O-ring is in place. Just push it in nice and easy. It should snap in. We'll start the bolt. I'm not going to use power because I like to be able to feel how much I'm torquing it down to. Just do it like that. It's just plastic, so it doesn't need that much. It's tight enough. We'll plug that back in. Gotta listen for it to click. Like that. And we'll reinstall the cover. We just have to reinstall the cover. Gotta hit these studs here first. Makes it easier. Just like that. It should fall into place. And these, I mean, this car is a 13, so it's getting old. There's little O-rings like this. These are getting wore out, but just keeps it from making noise, I'm assuming. So we'll put that in there. Start our nuts in the front here. Start that one. That one. This one right here. That one. You can feel them all starting. I'm going to go back to power because it's going to be a heck of a lot faster. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's all it takes to either clean or replace a map sensor on a 2013 Infiniti G37X.